Alright, another question. So being told to differentiate x to the power x with respect to x. So how do we solve this? So we're going to let y being equal to x to the power x. So we're going to introduce ln to both sides, and then ln y shall be equal to ln x power x. So bring the x to the left hand side, the power. Then we're going to apply product rule on the right hand side. So basically right now we now have two different functions. Now these are separate. So basically now we have to apply the product rule right there, because now this is not a constant. So now because it's now a ln x also. So let's apply the product rule. So when you apply the product rule, this is what we end up having. So you have 1 over y dy dx being equal to x times 1 over x plus 1 times ln x. So now this is what we end up having. Now we see that the x values cancel and we have a 1. So we can cross multiply and we end up having that. But remember that y is x power x. So therefore dy dx is x power x bracket 1 plus ln x, and that is our answer.